Hey guys, welcome to another video and Merry Vlogmas! Today we're going to be baking my very, like the most favorite Christmas cookie of all time. Chocolate chip cookies are like my favorite cookie, but this is my favorite Christmas cookie. I remember making these with my mom as a little kid, and they're just so much fun. I am using vegan butter, so they technically will be vegan, but I'm crossing my fingers that it'll be okay. So, let's get into making some Russian tea cakes. So, Russian tea cakes are super simple to make. However, I am going to be making sure that I stick to my recipe because I don't want to mess this up, and I haven't made them in a long time. I did pre-measure out my powdered sugar and my flour and my walnuts. Let's see how this goes. It's supposed to be room temperature butter. It's still pretty cold, so. Not really. I don't know. Let's go. 1 cup of butter. So I always beat the vegan butter to soften it a little bit. You want to really get that vegan butter whipped really well so that it doesn't not mix with other things. If you're wondering, I got my KitchenAid mixer as a wedding present, and I absolutely love it. And it's probably one of the very few wedding presents I do use every week or so. So now I'm supposed to mix in the powdered sugar. See how that goes? Little vanilla. I never measure my vanilla. I just pour it into the cap. Make sure the cap is half full. And that's always how much vanilla I use. How much salt? Half a teaspoon. That's half a teaspoon. You like my measuring? I measure great. Low speed. Adding in the flour. Putting in the chopped walnuts. This dough does, I don't know. I think I'm gonna just try one and see. So I got these as a wedding present too, but they don't really work. So I just use them as a scoop. So you're supposed to roll them. Some people call these snowballs too. Either way, they're just the best Christmas cookies. So just gonna put one in the oven and see how it does. So once you have your Russian tea cake, you're supposed to roll it in powdered sugar when it's still warm, after it's cooled just a little bit, and that's it. I did turn down the oven a little bit so it wouldn't get as burnt. So let's get to rolling. The great thing about Russian tea cakes is you never really have to worry about the placement on the pan because they don't get any bigger. They stay the size that they are. So you can kind of crowd them and get them all in the oven at the same time. I'm so excited for Christmas and for Christmas cookies. So some are still not done, but the done ones I'm going to go ahead and put in the sugar. See, some of these are just still so raw. Since I've gotten powdered sugar everywhere, we're done. They are the cutest little cookies. I like putting them in the powdered sugar when they're still warm because it starts melting and they're just so cute. I just love them. Bring back so many good memories for me. It sticks to the roof of your mouth. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you had fun coming along with me baking Russian tea cakes. Comment down below if you decide to make them. Remember, the recipe is linked in the description box. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any more Vlogmas. I hope to see you soon. Stay safe and peace out.